Nylon versus steel strings. Choosing your first electric guitar shouldn't feel like a mystery, but for beginners, the biggest question that always comes up, nylon or steel strings. Today, we're unlocking that mystery once and for all. I'll be showing you real examples from our West Island guitar lineup so you can pick the perfect guitar for you.
West Island Guitars.
Hey everyone, I'm Don from West Island Guitars. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're learning guitar for the first time, this video is going to save you a lot of confusion. We're comparing nylon versus steel string acoustic guitars using models from our very own lineup. The HTC 36, HTC 39, HTA 36, and the HTA 40. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your hands, your style, and your goals. If you're enjoying this kind of beginner-friendly content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss the next video. Lots more to come. Nylon strings. Nylon strings feel softer and gentler on your fingertips. They give you a warm, mellow tone that's perfect for classical, fingerstyle, folk, and bossa nova. The tension is lower, so they're easier to press down and the sound is smooth and expressive. Steel strings. Steel strings are brighter, louder, and more modern sounding. If you're into pop, rock, country, or singer-songwriter style music, this is the sound you're probably looking for. The strings have more tension, therefore they project at a higher volume, but that can feel a little bit tougher on your brand new fingers. Let's look at the tone comparison. Listen to how warm and rounded the nylon tone is. Now compare that to the steel string tone, which is brighter, punchier, and perfect for strumming and singing. So which one is easier for beginners? If you want the softest, most forgiving feel, well, nylon wins. If you want the sound you hear in most modern acoustic songs, steel wins. Choose nylon if you want the easiest feel in your fingers, if you're younger or have smaller hands, if you want to learn fingerstyle, or if you prefer a more mellow tone. Now choose steel if you want to strum and sing, if you like bright modern acoustic tones, if you want more projection, or if you're into pop, rock, or country. So now let's talk about our guitar lineup. First we have the HTC 39. The HTC 39 is our full-size nylon string acoustic. It's warm, expressive, and incredibly smooth to play. Nylon strings have lower tension, so the HTC 39 feels forgiving under the fingers. If you want a nylon guitar that feels substantial and sounds rich, the HTC 39 is a great choice. Next we have the HTC 36. The HTC 36 is the compact nylon model. It's ideal for beginners, younger players, or anyone who wants a lighter, more manageable body style. It still has the warm nylon character, but in a smaller, more approachable package. The HTA 40. The HTA 40 is our premium steel string acoustic. It has clarity, projection, and that classic acoustic brightness. If you're planning to strum, sing, or record, the HTA 40 gives you a clean, modern tone that cuts through beautifully. It comes in 3 great color choices: red burst, natural, and black, all in a matte finish. Finally, we have the HTA 36. The HTA 36 is our beginner-friendly steel string in 3/4 size, designed to make steel string playing more accessible, with a comfortable body size and a balanced tone that works for almost any style. If you want to start on a steel string without jumping into a big dreadnought, an HTA 36 is perfect. So what's our final recommendation? If comfort is your priority, choose the nylon guitar. If you want that classic acoustic sound, choose the steel string guitar. There really is no wrong choice, just the right choice for your style. If you want more help choosing, you can DM us anytime or give us a call. We'd be glad to walk you through it personally. You can check out all 4 of our models at www.wiguitars.com or just click on the link below. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped clear up the nylon versus steel mystery and made your decision much easier. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you never miss out on our beginner guides, guitar demos, and lots more videos to come. Drop a comment below telling us whether you're on Team Nylon or Team Steel. This is Dominic from West Island Guitars. Keep on rocking, keep on playing, and peace out. I'll see you in the next one.